Imagine yourself in the heart of Napa Valley, where rolling vineyards and sun-drenched hills create the perfect backdrop for a life of luxury and serenity. Nestled at the foot of Napa's majestic hills is Silverado Country Club, a haven for those who appreciate fine living. From world-class golf and tennis to serene spa retreats and vibrant social gatherings, every moment here is designed for relaxation and refinement. At the heart of this prestigious community, 350 Deer Hollow Drive invites you to experience elevated living with direct golf course frontage, sophisticated design, and timeless elegance. Upon entering, you'll notice soaring vaulted ceilings, warm hardwood floors, and an abundance of natural light. Anchored by a sophisticated gas fireplace set in quartzite fantasy gray, the great room is the heart of this stunning home. The dining room is framed by a wide rectangular window and boasts access to the expansive balcony, offering panoramic golf course views. An ideal setting for your morning coffee or an evening glass of wine. The kitchen is designed for culinary excellence, a wolf range, paneled sub-zero refrigerator and wine fridge, and dual dishwashers ensure seamless hosting, while built-in ceiling Sonos speakers create the perfect ambiance for every occasion. Just off the great room, the social lounge awaits. Complete with a mirrored wet bar and sub-zero beverage fridge, it is the perfect setting for intimate gatherings or quiet evenings in. On the second level, the ensuite bedroom offers comfort and privacy, featuring a built-in closet and exclusive balcony access. Down the hall, the luxurious primary suite is designed for tranquility. A wide hurricane-grade window and a spacious California closet system are the epitome of elegance. The spa-inspired bathroom offers a true retreat, featuring a gorgeous soaking tub and stunning marble shower. The lower level is the embodiment of versatility and comfort. The private guest suite with adjacent bathroom, home gym with mirrored walls and built-in bar, and thoughtfully placed beverage station are the perfect accents to this immaculate home. With a spacious 2-car garage and private golf cart parking, every detail in this home is designed with convenience and luxury in mind. 350 Deer Hollow Drive, your gateway to the Napa Valley lifestyle. It's more than a home, it's a masterpiece.